Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to find maximum value and minimum value in Excel. Let's go in. Here we are going to apply three formulas. First one, count. Second one, maximum. Third one, minimum. We will make one small table and we will apply formulas in each column. Here we are going to count how many items in table. For that we need to apply count formula equals to count and select table value in stock out or any value in one column equals count. I will select value from stock out. Close bracket and press enter. 6 is the result, which means we have total 6 values in table. Next we are going to find what is the maximum number and minimum number in stock out. For that we are going to type equals to max, open brackets, select stock out values and press enter. So here we found out 41 is the maximum number. Same for minimum, type equals to min, open brackets, select stock out values, press enter. So 3 is the minimum number in stock out column. Same formula, we will work out in amount column. For that we are going to type equals to max, open brackets, select amount values and press enter. So here we found out 345 is the maximum bucks sold in warehouse. Same for minimum, type equals to min, open brackets, select amount values, press enter. So 18 is the minimum bucks sold in amount column. This is how we need to find maximum and minimum number. Okay guys, see you on another video. Until then, bye from MR. Thanks for watching.